today we're going to learn some fun techniques, the first one being scoring patterns. So to do this one, take a sheet of tracing paper or a semi-transparent paper that you might have and draw maybe a little phrase and some patterns with a ballpoint pen on top of your tracing paper. And you want to press fairly hard because you want to create a groove in the paper that's below. Next, take a colored pencil and shade over top of what you've just indented on the paper. And you're going to see that wherever you drew a line with that ballpoint pen, there's a white mark that's left behind. This technique is great to create highlights on hair or animal fur, veins on leaves, the tiny pattern of strawberry seeds, which you're going to be doing next, or even to help emphasize a signature of your author or maybe your own signature in your work. So that first step, you're going to impress the line with a ballpoint pen. And this can be a shape that you put in, the line of a letter, the line of a pattern, and create, like I said, anything that you want. Then when you apply your colored pencil, I want you to layer colored pencils on top of one another. So here I've gone in with a red, an orange, and now I'm going in with a deeper red to create this layered look. After you've created several layers, you can go in and burnish your colors together with a white or a very light colored pencil. So I'm going in and I'm burnishing in with this yellowed colored pencil. So I'm pressing fairly hard at this point to get my colors to mix. And the nice thing is that where you have those grooved lines, my pencil is just skipping over the lines. So don't be afraid to be really careful to shade around those indented lines. Like your pencil will just automatically skip across it. It's very magical and super satisfying and fun. So don't be afraid to shade over top of those indented lines. There is a variation of this that I do want to show you real fast, and I would like you guys to try. Before indenting down, place a light color wash of a colored pencil on the paper. Then take your tracing paper, put it over top of that color that you just put down, and trace in a new design, pattern, or word. After you've put that in, go in with another colored pencil and have that skip over those indented lines. So if there's something in your novel cover or your illustration poem design that you like this technique, but you want those lines to be colored and not be white, then you can use this technique to do that. The last technique you're going to learn about today is how to remove colored pencil if you've royally screwed up in an area. So to do this, take Scotch tape, lay it over top of the area that needs a lot of help, and then with a pencil, press down on the area where you want the colored pencil to be removed. And then you can lift up the tape, and the tape is actually going to remove the colored pencil in the area that you press down on. Now the colored pencil will stain the paper, so it won't go all the way back to white, but you'll at least remove a lot of the layers so you can continue adding back in more layers of the correct color.